Hello guys. I want to wish you guys a happy new year being the first video of 2026. Yeah, we've been out of posting for some time and now we are back fully. So guys, yeah. Uh, as we do it, we give you guys life hacks, tutorials that you can use to make your day easier. We want to show you guys um, AI tools that you can use to make some certain life hacks easy. Now, have you ever been wondering, you might not really have the time, the chance to get some pictures. Maybe you have a birthday celebration or an admission celebration, something to celebrate about, and you do not have the right photos to get it started. I'm going to show you guys how you can use AI to get you any style photos you need. So stay up to date. Firstly, before we get started, I want to show you guys. Make sure you hit the subscription channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure to hit the notification button. So let's get it started. So now I'm going to head over to the ChatGPT app so you see some things I have done. So now I want to show you guys something. This is the original photo, as you can see, and this is the instruction I have given to the AI, and this is the result. Now, I have a couple of this at length. You could just tie yourself from the comfort of your home, use it as a birthday picture, use it as a anniversary picture with your family. You don't really need to go to the studio anymore. AI has made all this easier, and I'm going to show you guys how to navigate through AI. This is also for all AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on and so forth. You can use this prompt I'm going to give you for all. Now, I'm going to show you guys how you can style your photos at any time. First step, you can actually use two steps. First step, you can actually design from scratch, meaning you are going to have an inspiration, you are going to have a direction. As you can see here, you are going to have something you want and you are going to ask the AI to give you that. And I know the next question some of you are going to ask, what about you don't have the direction, you don't know what you want, you don't know how to get there? This is where I come in. I'm going to make it easier for you. Now, I have a community where I post all my prompts I have done ever. So I drop all the prompts I have there, and you can get this prompt for your use. Now, I'm going to show you two ways you can get this prompt. The first way, number one, you can actually use this prompt I have posted here alongside with your photo. It will give you the same result as you see here, but it's going to see your face over there. So you're basically styling yourself with the prompt I have dropped. Next, if you do not want to use this prompt, or maybe you do not see this prompt, you can just actually save the photo you want and ask the AI to get you the prompt. And you can use your photo attached to it, and it gives you the same result. So now I'm going to show you guys my community. And for those of you who do not really have the idea or of pictures or to style your pictures, you don't really know what to ask the AI to give you. I'm going to tell you to check the description of this video. My Telegram channel, my TikTok channel are there on the description. Join that and you're going to see a whole lot of prompts you can use. Now I'm going to show you guys some samples I have done and you're going to pick from whichever you like. So now this is my Telegram community. Yeah, as you can see, we are at 885 subscribers now, and I'm going to show you all my works. So yeah, this is the photo and this is the prompt. Now, when you join this channel, you have access to all my prompts, and this is totally free. This is absolutely free. So now what you just need to do, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification to not miss out on AI hacks. And next, check out the description of this video, check out my Telegram, and check out my TikTok channel. Now, join each of these and you are going to see my works. So now, if you go over to this channel, you can simply copy this prompt, copy it, and go to the ChatGPT app, add your face, and it will give you the same result. And you can also save this photo, go over to your ChatGPT, ask for the prompt, and you can also get the same result. Now, for those of you, I know most of us might not really have the idea to build a picture from scratch, so you can just go over to this channel and join right now. So this is my Telegram channel, and these are some of the works I have done using AI. None of these prompts or none of these photos are real. These are just AI generated, and you can see they look really realistic, and you can see the result from here. So now, what are you guys waiting for? Join up to my community, join up to my Telegram, join up to my TikTok, follow me. It's the same name everywhere. Search me up and get connected. AI is here to stay.